Have you ever wondered what it feels like to be a financial wizard, casting spells of profit in a world of digital gold? Well, today, we're diving deep into the enchanting realm of neon crypto. Imagine a universe where transactions are as instantaneous as lightning, where fees are so low they might as well be non-existent. That's the promise of Neon, a blockchain platform that's revolutionizing the way we think about cryptocurrencies. What is Neon? Neon is a Layer 2 blockchain built on Ethereum. Think of it as a high-speed expressway for Ethereum transactions. While Ethereum is the main road, Neon is the dedicated lane for those who want to get there faster and cheaper. Key features. Speed. Neon boasts lightning-fast transaction speeds, making it a dream for those who value efficiency. Scalability. As the Ethereum network grows, Neon can scale to handle the increased demand, ensuring that transactions remain swift and affordable. Compatibility. Neon is fully compatible with Ethereum, meaning you can use your existing Ethereum wallets and dApps seamlessly. Security. Built on the robust security of the Ethereum blockchain, Neon offers a safe and reliable platform for your crypto assets. How does Neon work? Neon utilizes a technique called optimistic rollups to achieve its impressive performance. Essentially, it bundles multiple transactions together and processes them off-chain. This reduces the computational load on the Ethereum mainnet, resulting in faster confirmation times and lower fees. Why Neon? Cost-effectiveness. Neon's low transaction fees make it a compelling choice for individuals and businesses looking to save money on their crypto activities. Accessibility. Its compatibility with Ethereum ensures that a wide range of users can access and benefit from the Neon network. Potential for growth. As the demand for scalable and efficient blockchain solutions continues to grow, Neon is well positioned to become a major player in the crypto ecosystem. Neon's future. Neon is still a relatively young project, but its potential is undeniable. As it continues to evolve and mature, we can expect to see even more innovative applications and use cases emerge. Whether it's DeFi, NFTs, or gaming, Neon has the potential to revolutionize various industries. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the world of Neon crypto. With its speed, scalability, and compatibility, Neon is poised to become a game-changer in the blockchain space. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting your journey, Neon is a project worth keeping an eye on. Want to learn more about Neon? Check out the links in the description below for more information and to get started with your Neon adventure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of crypto.